How to activate vulnerability assessments and PCI scans in SecureSite Pro in less than a minute. Here's what you'll need. A valid SecureSite Pro, SecureSite Pro EV, or SecureSite EV TLS certificate in CertCentral, a mouse or mouse-like object, about 30 seconds to spare. Step 1. Log in. Step 2. In the Certificates tab, click Orders. Step 3. Find your issued SecureSite product and click on the order number. Once you're in the certificate order, you should see the Enable Vulnerability Assessment button. Click it. Step 5. Appease the lawyers. Read the pop-up message, as I'm sure you always do, and agree to give the tool permission to scan your network. Your first scan will automatically begin within 24 hours. Subsequent scans will happen monthly. Bonus: how to view your assessments. You'll now see a few new options, namely View and Manage Email Notifications. Click on View to see a list of all the domains, vulnerability statuses, PCI statuses, the date of the last scan, and any actions that might be required. You can also download the full vulnerability assessment and PCI compliance information here. You'll also get reminders sent to you by email, letting you know when a scan has been completed. You can adjust the settings for email notifications by, you guessed it, clicking Manage Email Notifications. And that's it. In less than a minute, you're now set up to discover and address vulnerabilities that might put your site or your PCI compliance at risk. Your organization thanks you.